Now, the moment of inertia of a circle of radius r. In this one, consider an elemental ring of thickness dx at a distance x from center O of a circle of radius r. So that means this is the elemental strip of thickness dx. For this, let us find out area of this elemental ring. So for this one, the dA is equal to area of this elemental ring is equal to 2 pi x into dx, where 2 pi x is the circumferential length of this developed length of this ring. 2 pi x into dx is the thickness, that will be the area. Now the moment of this elemental area about the third axis, that is zz axis, so that means moment of inertia of this elemental area about zz axis is equal to, so 2 pi x into dx is the area of this elemental, the ring, and multiplied by the square of the distance, that is x square. Square of the distance, that is x square. So this is equal to, we get 2 pi x cube into dx. This is the moment of inertia of this elemental strip. Now let us consider that it is made up of number of such elemental strips, the concentric elemental strips, and the moment of inertia of each elemental strip about the zz axis is given by integrating this equation between the limits 0 to r. What is that? The moment of inertia of total area, that is the moment of inertia of whole area about zz axis is obtained by integrating above equation between the limits 0 to r, because we will assume that it is consists of number of such concentric elemental rings, and the moment of inertia of each one about this will constitute the moment of inertia of the total body about that. So that will be equal to, so that is, I can write Izz is equal to integral 0 to r, so that is, so 2 pi x cube dx. So now that will be equal to 2 pi into x4 divided by 4, 0 to r. So that is equal to 2 pi r to the power of 4 divided by 4. Or this is also equal to what you will find, pi r square by 2. That is Izz is equal to. Again we know that by the parallel axis theorem. So Izz is equal to Ixx plus Iyy. Now the Ixx and Iyy for this circle is same because it is symmetrical about both the axes. So therefore we can write Izz is equal to 2Ixx. 2Ixx. So therefore Ixx is equal to the moment of inertia of this about the central axis. Xx is equal to Izz by 2. So already we know that Izz is equal to, what is that, pi r square by 2 into 1 by 2, that is Ixx is equal to, so pi r4 by 4, that is also equal to Iyy. So now this is what we select, the moment of inertia of the circle about its central axis xx or yy, that will be equal to pi r4 by 4.